Hello, everybody. Welcome to another Night, Mexie Sennight. This episode, we are embarking on the journey to the site inspections for those upcoming civil engineers or any engineer out there embarking in the same journey, going to the site engineers. This is how it goes. When you start a project, you have to visit the site on the regular basis to see if everything goes according to the plan, and to make sure that no stone is left unturned. So join me as I embark on this journey with my senior to the site, and we inspect the site and see if everything is according to the engineer's plans and the architect's plans. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. Mai yung baka that is jo ugawait diba ka uliga kamus. From the looks of everything was at par. Everything was alright. Everything was in the place that we thought and we designed it to be. And some issues were resolved and some new knowledge was found. The good thing about going to site is that you get to see your designs come to life. You get to see how what you've been struggling with, calculating, the headache that you got come to life. So now that's us coming back from work. Right now we came back from the site. We are discussing what we just saying. There's some new changes, some challenges we got, and it's great to talk with your seniors about this. You get to share a lot about all this. That's when you appreciate the work that you do. So for anybody working as a designer, a planner, whether structural, architectural, or whatever, when your thing come to life, that's when you know that, this is the experience that I need. So guys, I'm sorry for narrating this for you guys, but I'm narrating this because we're speaking my mother tongue, and for all those of you might not even understand, and also some were off topic, so I decided to narrate what's going on. So it took us a while from there to work, but it was a nice journey. It was nice, very beautiful journey. With these videos and upcoming videos, the Mexie Sennight episodes are coming back. I'm going to push. No more laziness. I'm coming back. Enjoy the video. This is the end of the day. I was not able to film at work, so this is us heading home, passing by the newly built hospital, and this is us, taking the route home. New day, me waiting for the minibus to go to work. Quite emotional stability. On the right of the screen, you can see 2 gas stations or filling stations, depending on where you are from. So I've been complaining about them. So do tell me, guys, should gas stations be 2 minutes away from each other? Should they be like that? Well, tell me in the comment section. At the office, working on some list that I was supposed to have compiled a long time ago, and after that I'm off to site for inspection again, so that I can come back and revisit the drawings. Anyway, enjoy. If you made it this far, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Wednesday afternoon on site. It's coming along pretty nice, I would say that, if I could say that myself.
And after that, we left the site for the office. Here we are getting out of the site, leaving the premises, off to the office. Mexie Mabula here. Yeah, so I'm bringing back the Sennight, Mexie Sennight. So this upcoming episode, I don't remember what episode it is, but there's a new one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do the most for your boy. Anyway, Mexie Sennight is back with the energy and back with everything. New vlogs every week. Coming back, baby.